If you're seeing the itch.io missing token message, don't worry. This is usually a simple access or browser issue, and in this video, I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, start with the easiest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes the download token just doesn't load correctly the first time, so a simple refresh can resolve it instantly. If that doesn't work, log out of your itch.io account and then log back in again. This can force the site to generate a fresh session and restore the missing token. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data stored in your browser can interfere with login sessions, downloads, and page loading. After clearing them, close the browser completely and open itch.io again from scratch. Then try the download page one more time. If the problem is still there, try using a different browser. Chrome and Edge are usually the best options for testing because they tend to handle site scripts and downloads very reliably. Switching browsers can help you tell whether the issue is with itch.io itself or with your current browser setup. Another important step is to disable browser extensions, especially things like ad block, privacy tools, script blockers, or download helpers. These extensions can sometimes block the token from loading properly. Turn them off temporarily, reload the page, and see if the download button works. You should also disable any VPN you may be using. Some websites, including itch.io, can have trouble generating or validating tokens when traffic is routed through a VPN. Turning it off can quickly restore normal access. After that, open the download page again and click Download once more. In many cases, the token error disappears after logging back in, clearing cookies, or removing conflicting extensions. If the site is busy or experiencing a server-side problem, the best fix may simply be to wait and try again later. So to recap, the best steps are refresh the page, log out and log back in, clear cache and cookies, try another browser, disable extensions, turn off your VPN, reopen the download page, and click download again. And if it still doesn't work, give it some time and try later, because it may be a temporary itch.io server issue. If this video helped you fix the itch.io error missing token problem, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.